This is a full electronic room number DND. Fully electronic. This is the room number plate. This is the smart lock. This is the energy saver. Now I got power. Power is in the room now. I need to insert the card to regain power. And that's the bed switch that controls the room number on the outside. This is the bed switch. I'm going back outside now to show you what happened outside. I'm back outside. The guest is saying they should not disturb him. Do not disturb. Okay? The guest is saying they should clean the room. So this sign is clean.
Where is that room?
This sign is that the guest is inside. The guest is inside. The guest is saying they should clean his room. Do not disturb. Do not. Okay. So they are all working. This button is for cleaning. This button is for checking that the guest is inside. And this one is do not disturb.